Guys, I hope that you are having an amazing afternoon and good evening to those who are around the globe. Again, put in the chat box where you guys are calling in from. My name is Brandon Boyd. I'm one of the top leaders at ImarketsLive. I'm married. I've got 6 children. I'm from Utah. Extremely grateful to be a part of this company. I've been here for 23 and a half months. And here's the thing that attracted me as we get into this. From this very phone, you guys can make money and not actually have to recruit anybody. That is the very first thing that I saw when I got here was, look, you have the ability to make money from your phone in the largest financial market in the world, and you do not have to recruit anybody. And I was like, sign me up. So I became a customer. So let me do a share screen with you guys here to show you how powerful this is, because you need to understand that we are working with the largest financial market in the entire world, guys, and that is the foreign exchange. Just by raise of hands, how many of you have ever heard of Forex or the foreign exchange in the past? I want you to put a 1 in the chat or comments in front of you if you have, okay? All right, a good number of you. Awesome. So the foreign exchange, all we're doing is trading one currency for another. I can trade the US dollar, the Japanese yen, the Canadian dollar, Great British pound, and I can make money at a click of a button right from my phone in a market that's doing $5.3 trillion a day in business. All right. If I were to compare that to the stock market, 22 billion. Okay. Big difference. And this is running 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You guys should be making money from your phones right now. In fact, I'm in 3 trades as we speak on my phone, and I'm up right now. I'm looking at my trades. I'm up $400 as we're talking here. Think about that. $400 in this massive market I could cash out right now that I'm in. All right. You can trade this from any smartphone device or your computer, whatever works best for you. Now, the company that we decided to partner with, and I personally partnered about 23 and a half months ago, is a company by the name of ImarketsLive. That is long for IML. They are a first-class Forex education company. In my personal opinion, they are, without a doubt, the #1 Forex education provider in existence, period. Okay, they've been in business over 4 years. They're operating in over 120 countries. They're growing every month. They're debt-free. They're privately owned. They're financially solvent. They're stable. That, to me, when I came here, was very important. I got to be with a company that's in a good position that actually walks the walk, not just talks the talk, but that they actually walk the walk. There's no third-party services, which means that they have created and they own the rights to their products. They are not at the mercy of any vendor that could go out and take what we got. Okay, now we got an amazing corporate leadership team, and I'm going to focus on one individual on this just for sake of time. Christopher Terry, got a chance to talk to him this morning. We talk almost on a daily basis. He's the CEO, the founder of the company. He's been in books, magazine articles. He's been on Bloomberg Radio. He's been a contributor to The Money Show. He's been featured speaker at the Traders Expo. He's made tens of millions of dollars inside of the foreign exchange. He is the founder and CEO of ImarketsLive. Guys, this corporate leadership team we have is amazing. As you get a chance to get to know them, these are some of the finest individuals that I've worked with in my career. Now, here's one of the things that makes us unique. #1 is that the results with our services, #1, we can never offer a guarantee. Okay, there's no promises, but we're going to bring the best value to the table. All right. #2, we don't trade your money. We don't handle investments. You're in control of the money at any given time. Okay. ImarketsLive does not earn on your trades, meaning that they don't actually earn any commissions. No performance fees are taken. You can enter and exit trades at any time. You can trade at your own risk. And their objective, what we talk about on every event, every call, and every webinar that we do is to empower, to enrich, and to educate millions of customers. In fact, the details is 1 million customers in the next 3 years. We're going to do it with or without you, folks. We'd rather do it with you because it's going to get done. All right. Now, just by raise of hands, how many of you have ever heard of FX Signals Live or mirror trading before? Okay, I want you to put a 2 in the comment or chat in front of you if you've ever heard of mirror trading. Okay, so this is the very first thing. In fact, I'm going to take you online because you know, one of the things I believe is that men lie, women lie, but numbers don't lie. Right here on fxinderslive.com, when I click on traders, this is the #1 thing that attracted me to the company, okay? So what you see here is traders we have. You see their growth, their gains, their pips, and the number of weeks they've been trading through our platform. So let's take a look at Professor Waves just as an example, okay? This is powerful what I show you here. See this purple line, how it continues to increase over a period of time? Over 150%, about 170% growth in a little over half a year, almost 0.5% a day. Now look at this. If I do a simulation calculator, if I had $5,000 in my account back in January, think of this, back in January, risk multiplier of 2, that's typically what I've done with mine. I would have profited about just under 17,000. My new balance, 21,984. I'm not even going to put in the extra numbers. That's just on that alone. That is hands-free money that's working for you. Realize that most people have no investments. They barely have, if any, a savings account, no CDs, Roth IRAs, any of that kind of stuff. They barely have enough in their checking account to cover the bills. This is hands-free, set it and forget it money that's working for you. Product number 2, the Fusion Trader right here. With the Fusion Trader, it is also a mirror trader, okay? It's just more aggressive, higher frequency, more trades, more traders, etc. You got total control, just like you have with the FX Index Live. But again, it's a set and forget it. Now, this is more of a newer model. So you're going to see they've been in here less weeks. Let's say I took a look at Optimus Prime. Same thing. I can look at his entire trading overview to see how he's done and decide if I want to have him as a trader. Now, guys, here's the cool thing. When I click on this, traders, and then I go to FX Index Live and I click on traders, do you realize that you can use a trader from FX Index Live and one from the Fusion Trader, okay? And I can have them trade my account simultaneously. I can have 2 traders on one brokerage account. So while you're at your job, school, family, whatever it is that you're doing, you guys can literally be making money from these experts who are doing the trades for you, okay? So you have your money growing hands-free, all right? Now, I'm going to do a stop share here because I want to show you this. Product number 3. This is powerful right here. Put a 3 in the comments or chat if you've heard of Swipe Trades, this app right here. Okay, Swipe Trades. Powerful app. You get this, what's called a new trade alert. I can swipe it to open it up, or I can just click accept. See right here at the top, it says AUD USD. That's the Australian dollar and the United States dollar. It's going to tell you right here that it's a buy. Here's the entry. Scroll down, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Look at this like a cheat sheet. This is basically like if you were to go to school and they just said, here's the answers to the test. The company has hired experts, and all you have to do is you literally copy and paste the answers that they've given you these trades. Now, you're going to win every time? No. Does the product work? Yes. I've never had a losing month with Swipe Trades, period. Phenomenal product. Takes about 3 minutes a day, which reminds me, FX Index Live, 0 minutes. Fusion Trader, 0 minutes. And then you've got the Swipe Trades, 3 minutes a day. Everyone's got 3 minutes a day, especially when it comes time to financial freedom. Okay, now let's go back here let's go back to the slides here real quick. So I showed you the first 3 products. Now, how many of you, just a comment or chat number 4, put a number 4 in there if you have a desire to learn how to become a part to full-time trader. I want you to click or put in a number 4 in the chat or comment, okay? By the way, if you have questions, put them there in the box. We'll make sure and get those answered for you. So we put together a step-by-step academy called IML Academy, where you're going to become a consistent, profitable trader. And the good news is you don't need any previous trading or investing experience. This is the kind of stuff that if you guys were to go to a workshop can cost literally thousands of dollars. In fact, I was in Vegas last week. I was at a conference. Listen to this. These packages that they were selling, which is similar to Forex stuff, was $20,000 to $40,000. You're not even going to pay even close to that to get access to what I'm going over right now. 60 videos, multiple languages, basic to advanced, and you guys go at the pace that you want to go. Now, if you're more of kind of like a hands-on, we put together what's called IML TV. And this is really to help increase the chances of your success. So what we do is we combine the education that you've learned from IML Academy with our live mentorship. Now, this takes place every day, 7 days a week. And so it really is giving you an opportunity to apply what you've learned. 75 hours a week of training. Where are you going to find that? Especially, look, we got a mother of 4 children, school teacher, boom, she's an educator. Mike Miles delivered pizzas. He's an educator. Christopher Derrick served our country, went to Afghanistan several times. He's one of our educators. These are people who are not just talking the talk, they walk the walk. This is in multiple languages, and if you cannot make a session, you can always visit our recordings as well. Harmonic Scanner, let me show this to you online. I want you guys to put a 5 in the comments if you have used the Harmonic Scanner. All right, this is an amazing product, guys, amazing product. I've used it myself, and I want to show you how this thing works. So let's move this over just a tad so you can see these numbers. See all the up and down here? That looks like the stock market, doesn't it? That's really Reformed Egyptian for those who do not understand the markets. But if you look at the yellow butterfly wings here, that is the Harmonic Scanner. This is an extremely accurate indicator. Now look at what it's doing. It's giving me the entry price, stop price, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Remember seeing that with swipe trades? Okay, it's literally giving you those indicators. Now look, about 89% of the time, this trade, which is the GBP, JPY, Great British Pound, Japanese Yen, will go in that direction of these indicators it's given to you here. Is that not powerful? Is that not information that you would want to have access to? Yes or yes? That's what I want to know. All right. Okay. Let me show you another powerful product. This is for people that, because I showed you automation. What I'm showing you right now is teaching you how to actually trade. Okay. Now we're doing a training on this tonight. For those who want to tune in, you can hit me up, and I've got this on Telegram and Facebook. We're doing a training on this with the creator, Stephen Hooley, of the IML Web Analyzer. You hear that cha-ching? Your boss is going to hear that so much, they're going to say, look, man, we keep hearing that cha-ching, we're going to have to let you go. All right. Now look at this. The Web Analyzer is looking at multiple charts all within one frame here. So not just harmonic patterns, but multiple charts. Now look at the right. See how that has potential sell? Like if it's red, that's a sell. If it's green, that's a buy. It's giving you these potential setups. You can actually create your own strategies and profit. And we're going to teach you that tonight. So at 9 Eastern, myself and Stephen Hooley are going to teach you the basics of how to use the Web Analyzer. So if you guys are really wanting to learn, how to become a profitable trader, guys, I'm going to tell you right now, this right here is a powerful product to use. And then last, daily swing trades. This is product 8. These are weekly trade forecasts that come from the CEO himself, not some guy that has an opinion on Forex who's never done it, but the CEO who's made tens of millions of dollars inside of the foreign exchange. He's going to analyze major pairs, give you some new techniques that you can try and stuff like that. These will come typically once or twice a week via email. Now, here's the good news. You get complete product setup. You got the training site, you have the corporate app, you have the 7-figure mentorship where you're going to learn from mentors, leaders, and trainers what you need to do, whether it's on the business side or on the trading side, how to become a phenomenal trader. All right. Now, the good news is this, you don't have to invest $1,000. You don't have to put 500 in to, here's the thing. I'm going to give you the option here. You've got these 4 products, which is IML Academy, IML TV, Harmonic Scanner, daily swing trades. You can get all these for $195. Okay. The monthly is $145. And here's what I recommend. Get those 4, plus I want you to get these 4. Now, the web analyzer is on a free trial right now. You get it until December 31st, January 1st. If you want to keep it, it's 15 bucks. If you get these 4 plus these 4, so you get all 8 that I just showed you, Swipe Trades, that's the copy and paste app, the Fusion Trader, that's mirror trading, FX is Live, that's mirror trading, this is more kind of like the automation. $235 one time, and the monthly is $185. Now think of how powerful that is. $235 once. Most people are spending more than that just even on fast food every month. When Thanksgiving comes, right, for those who are in the US here, they're going to spend hundreds of dollars on stuff. All right. Then that, you know, if people celebrate the holiday with Christmas, all that kind of stuff, they're going to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars. You guys got to start putting your money into assets and stop putting your money into liabilities. And that's how you guys are going to become wealthy and get ahead. So $235 once. The $185 does not come for 30 days. All right. Now watch how you can get rid of the monthly. We put together what's called the 2 and free. Share this concept with 2 people that you like, trust, and respect, who you truly believe can get the value from what we provide, and the company's going to waive that fee. So let's say that you decide to enroll as a customer today. In the course of the next 30 days, if I were to find 2 individuals that said, hey, look, they got a cell phone, they want to make money. In fact, they need to make money, and they become a customer. When that 30 days comes up, you're not charged. Okay. 2 and free. That's powerful. And guys, we've shown you multiple streams of income that you have access to. Now, look, we have a special guest who is on the call today. And in fact, I'm going to make him, I'm going to unmute him right now. His name is David Imonitie. Now, keep in mind, guys, that this individual is a Chairman 100. I know that you don't know what that means yet, okay? This guy's made millions of dollars over the course of the last decade or so. He is a part of IML. He is a Chairman 100. He's one of the top leaders in the entire company and has done an absolutely phenomenal job growing this company all around the world. So he's going to cover. Yeah, I can hear you, David. He's going to cover the last piece of what we're doing here and how you can generate more income so that you have more money to invest at the same time. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Chairman 100, Mr. David Imonitie. David, are you out there?
Absolutely. I'm here, Brandon. You did an awesome job explaining the products, the company, everything that we have to offer. If you can share the screen on the PowerPoint.
I'll bring it up right now. Here we go. All right. It's all yours, brother.
Awesome. And ladies and gentlemen, let me first say this. Huge congratulations to Brandon Boyd and his family on becoming brand new Chairman 50s here with iMarkets Live. Now, I will say this. When it comes to leaders, sometimes we can kind of get it misconstrued as far as the value of a leader based on their title or their rank. Brandon Boyd is one of those leaders that a rank does not really signify his significance to this company. And I'm not just saying that because he's on this call right now. I'm saying that from what it is that he's been able to bring to iMarkets Live, the value that he's been able to bring, not just on the networking side of the business, but also on the trading side of the business, the different products that the company has, all the trainings, the videos. Brandon does these things tirelessly to serve other people. And so his rank of Chairman 50 does not even begin to explain the value that he's been able to bring to tens of thousands of people and soon hundreds of thousands of people within this company. So Brandon, once again, I know I say it all the time.
David, I think your phone went out. You still there? Did we lose David? David, I think we may have lost you there. Okay. All right, David, it sounds like you're coming back. Are you there?
All right, I'm back. Can you hear me now?
Okay. Yep, perfect. Go ahead.
All right, sorry about that. My internet has been kind of going in and out lately, but anyway, what I want to do right now is just kind of share with you how you can actually I have another way of increasing your income so that you do have additional income in order to utilize that in the world of Forex. All right. And that's what the purpose of this compensation plan is. Brandon shared with you the 2 and free, that when you get started as a customer and whatever package you choose to get started with, all right, whatever your monthly subscription is, once you enroll 2 customers, your monthly subscription is completely free. So 2 and free would be your first goal. All right. Now, if you decided that you wanted to build the business, you can become an IBO. It's $15 to become an IBO. The company says sponsor 1 more customer, and now you're what we call a Platinum 150. All right. At Platinum 150, you're earning $150 every single month from the compensation plan. Well, that's an additional $150 that you could now utilize to offset your monthly subscription, because as an IBO, you're now responsible for your monthly subscription. Okay. But now look at this. Let's help these 3 people do exactly what you did, which is just sponsor 3. Now you have a total of 12 customers. Your residual income is now $600 every single month. Brandon, I got involved in this business because of $600. I didn't get involved in the business because I saw that we could earn millions of dollars. I got involved because I saw that we could help thousands of people get to $600 a month on a residual basis. Don't forget, every customer that you enroll, you also get a $35 bonus, $35 fast start bonus. When you hit this level of Platinum 600, it will open up your second level of fast start bonus, $10. And then when you hit the level of Platinum 1000, you make $5 for everyone who comes in on your 3rd level. All right. So let me show you what really got me excited about this compensation plan, because I know, like me, a lot of you on this call, you love helping people. So let's say the person that invited you on this call was a leader. Okay. And you were smart enough to take a position with them. So let's say this is you here. I said it takes 12 customers to get to $600 a month, right? Well, it takes 30 customers to get to $1,000 a month residual. So that's 12, 12, 6. Okay? 12, 12, 6. That's 30 customers. You're making $1,000 a month on a residual basis. What if I told you that we would count the customers that you enroll? We would also count the customers that your customers enroll, but we can also count the customers that your upline places below you. So your upline could place 12 customers below you, and it would still count towards your 30 customers. It means it still counts towards your $1,000 a month. Let's say you're over here and you want to become a Platinum 2000. A Platinum 2000 is 75 customers in your business. So that's 30, 30, 15. Your upline, they can place 30 people below you, and it would still count towards your $2,000 every single month. It counts towards your 75 customers. Let's say you wanted to become a Platinum 5000. All right. Platinum 5000 means you've got 225 customers in your business, 90, 90, 45. All right. 225 customers. Your upline can place 90 people below you, and it still counts towards your 225. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you're earning $5,000, which is $1,250 every single week. And you just have 225 customers in your business. When we started this business about 13 months ago, we set a goal. And that goal was we were going to help 100 people become Chairman 10s. Okay? Chairman 10 is where you have 500 customers in your business. 200, 200, 100. All right? 500 customers. You're generating $72,500 in volume. All right, and your residual income now will be $10,000 per month. Do you believe that in a 12-month time frame, if leaders like Brandon Boyd and leaders like Austin Godsey and leaders like Gary McSween and leaders like Yvonne Tapia and Alex Morton, if they worked with you and helped you and coached you along the way, do you believe that you could build a team of 500 customers? Well, when you do, you're going to be earning at least $10,000 a month. And keep in mind, your upline can place 200 people below you, and it would still count towards your 500 customers. I set a personal goal to have 100 leaders actually get this done. 100 leaders times 72,500 is 7.25 million in volume. That will pay out $1 million a month of income. Okay, that's the personal goal that I set for myself. Out of the 100, let's say you had 5 leaders in your group that actually did it. Let's say you did it, but then you helped 5 other people do it. Well, 5 leaders that do it times 500 is 2,500 customers. Ladies and gentlemen, you would be a Chairman 50. Your residual income would be $50,000 every single month. And once again, big congratulations to Brandon. Hit that particular rank there and is going fast to Chairman 100, 250, Chairman 500 here with this opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, the other parts of the compensation plan, I'm going to let the person that invited you on this call give you more details about it. But this right here was big enough for me to make the decision. I can help as many people as possible make $600 a month. We're doing a blitz all day today, Brandon, and I'm going to be back on this line again at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll be back 6 p.m. We'll be back 8 p.m. Myself and a lot of other great leaders are going to be coming on all throughout this week. 5 calls a day is what we're going to be doing. Thanksgiving week, we're not slowing down. Every day is a holiday, so we don't have to take off on Thanksgiving Day to go out and really share this opportunity as we go out and empower, enrich, and educate 1 million customers in the largest financial market in the world. We want you to be a part of it. It's happening right now. Our company has grown tremendously over the last 12 to 13, 15 months now, and it's continued to explode all around the world, and we want you to be a part of it. So get back with the person who invited you on this call. Get started with this. Invite them onto the call that we're going to do at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Look forward to seeing you guys at the top. Good day, and God bless. Take care, guys.